Thanks for joining our video demo series for the Oracle ZFS Storage Appliance. This video is going to be a short session walking through the general ZFS Appliance interface. When you first log into the appliance, what you see here is the status screen. So this screen gives you a high-level overview of different analytics, such as CPU, network disk, different protocols, as well as other high-level usage on the box. From a pool perspective, you can see how much space is used. If you have multiple pools, you would see those here. You can see compression, space available. You can see some memory statistics from the DRAM memory in the box, as well as high-level overview of the services, whether they're on or not, or if there's a problem with them. In my case, most of the services are on, there's a few that aren't. Packet, you can see those here. If there was one I want to turn on, such as like here, NIS is off. If I want to turn it on, I can go straight to it, enable it, put in the domain and such. I can get right to it from that. So everything is hyperlinkable in here, just like the analytics. If I see something interesting, such as here on this, you can see NFS was busy, almost 6 days ago, and click on that. And this will show me the last 7 days of NFX activity. So then I could pick, what's the high point and that kind of stuff. We'll save the analytics details for another session. I'm just showing you how the general interface works. Also, you'll see a high-level overview here of the hardware. So whether or not, if you have any hardware issues, it tells you how long the box has been up since it was last rebooted from a recent firmware update we did, as well as if you have any issues with diffs, power supplies, anything like that. You also see alerts here. If you have any alerts set, it'll tell you if there's any alerts going on, such as we have replication going around. So every time it begins and finishes, it tells us here it's updating us there. Other navigation in the appliance. So basically there's 5 tabs you can see here across the top: configuration, maintenance, shares, the status screen, which we're on, and then the analytics tab. And then every time you click one of these, it brings up a sub tab. So on this screen, you can see here, we're on the dashboard, which you're seeing here, but you can also change the settings of the dashboard. So you can change different thresholds for those settings, as well as the layout. So what order and what protocols you want to see on the screen, you can change to whatever's important to you. This is also here, you can see some NDMP reporting on the screen as well. You're using that. The configuration tab, this is where we configure things. So all the different services on the box, the storage pools on the box, the network connectivity, the SAM block level storage is configured here. The cluster configuration happens here, as well as user administration happens on this tab. And then some basic preferences are available. And then all the alerts that are available in the appliance as well. You can click on the maintenance tab and you'll see a bunch of other options here, such as you can see the general hardware overview. So I can go in and see details of the hardware, what drives and CPU and memory, as well as the system tab. So this tab will show us if we have any issues with any support issues going on, or what firmware level we're on, that sort of thing. The problem log. The general, all the different logs available on the appliance, such as alerts, faults, system, audit logs, phone home logs, how from the box is phone at home. If it's having the issues, you'd see that, and then the workflow tab as well. The share tab, this is where many users spend a majority of their time. Here you see it's where you create projects and shares and ones. And so we'll cover those in a lot more detail later, but this is where that happens. So you can, very simple to create those by, typically when you want to create something, you click the plus icon. So whatever screen you're on, there's a plus icon that'll pull up, create a new file system. If I want to create a new LUN, I click LUNs and click the plus. If I wanted to create a new project, I think click on projects, gives me a list of projects, and again, I can click plus here. One other navigation tip, you can click here and you can create to see the projects as a side pane window, and you can click projects here. Something else you can do is you can move shares in and out of projects as well. So if I go into the account and I can take by this little grabby icon and hold my mouse, then I can turn around and drop this into any project I want. I'm not going to do it, but just so you know, that is a ability of the system to be able to drag and drop shares and LUNs in between different projects. The schema settings. So the schema is where you can set up custom properties for shares, such as maybe a department type or phone number for the admin of a share or something like that. You could set up different properties to show up in the general tab on the share screen. The stats area covered. The last tab is the analytics tab. So this is where we do the advanced D-trace analytics. And we'll cover this in great detail, but it's, again, there's a plus here. When add statistic, you can come down here and pick which one you want to add, and it'll add it in and pull up, a live view of what's going on. So here you can see we're looking at the current minute of data, and there's many other things you can do when you come and look in this. If you hold your mouse, it'll tell you what exactly all these do. Show the largest point in time, the shortest point in time, month of data, a week, a day of data, an hour or a minute of data. You can also zooming and zoom out to certain points of time, or you can pause it. You can move forward and back on historical timeline if you have historical analytics as well. As far as the sub-tabs on the Analytics tab, you see right now we're in the open worksheets, which is this is what we have open, which is nothing. You can also see here there's saved worksheets. So this would pull up an existing Analytics tab that's already has saved. So here you can see I have one here that has this data where it's always recording it. So I can go back and I can look at a very long point in time. So here's a week. Here's a month of data it's going to pull up, and so on and so forth. So I could pick the high point of the month, and here you could see he did 65,000 IOPS at 9:45, or looks like around the 6th of March during the last month. And I could quickly zoom back to the current minute. Data sets. So the data sets, these are all the analytics that are recorded are currently being recorded all the time. So there's thousands of possible analytics. Default in the box, there's about 30 available. But here you can see those, how much space they're taking on disk and how much space they're taking in memory on the system. And then lastly, there's a settings tab that lets you set retention policies for the analytics themselves. So that's a general overview of just navigating through the appliance. It's fairly self-intuitive. If you just follow what the words say, that's pretty much what they do. Thanks so much for your time.